Hello everyone, welcome to easyedu, and in my today's video I'm going to show you how to stack multiple charts in Excel. Stacking in Excel allows you to display multiple charts in single view. Let's begin. I have this data. Let's drag and drop this first one, and if I drag and drop the second one, it will open a new Excel. But now let's copy this data from here and paste it here to the first one. Now both of these data have the same x-axis. It began with 10, and if we go down and see here, both ends with 70. So both of the charts must have the same x-axis for stacking. Now first we need to split this column and separate this data, which is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis, into different columns. Select this column, click on data, click on text to column, fixed width, next, and finish. Now do the same procedure for this second one. Text to column, fixed width, next, and finish. We do not need this data because this is already here, so we can plot this data. Select the columns A, B, and E. Now click on insert and click on here more line charts. Click on XY scatter and select this one. Now click on OK. Now here we have plotted this data, but if you look into this data, both of the charts overlap each other. So we want this second chart to be above the first one. There is no direct option in Excel to do this, so we will do this manually. This blue one is series 1, which represent this data, and this one is series 2, which represent this data. So we will display this data in such a way that this second series 2 will appear above this series 1. Now for doing so, let's look at to the peak of series 1. The peak of series 1 ends around about 100 and 120. Now select a new column and click here is equal to, now the peak is round about 130, so click 130 plus, and we will add this 130 with this second data. Click on enter. Now select this column and click on Ctrl plus D, which will apply this formula to this whole column. And now we can replot this data. Select these columns. Now click on insert. Again, more line charts. XY scatter. Click on this. Okay. Now you can visualize this data. Now let's do some more fitting, and for this select this y-axis and set the minimum to 0, and the maximum, if you look here, is 350, so we can fit this to 340 or 330. Format axis 330. Now here you can view that this peak reached to 330, and they both have the same x-axis, and in stacking we normally do not need these numbers on this side, so we can just delete them If you want to remove the grid line, click here, remove grid lines. You can do more fitting for the x-axis. Click on this x-axis and type here 10 to 70. Now here you can visualize we have adjusted is from range 10 to 70 the x-axis, and this way you can stack multiple charts, but you have to adjust the y-axis, and you can rename the title. You can rename the data series 1 and data series 2. You can add legends by taking here, and they are already here. You can display the axis title by taking here. Here you see the axis title. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.